Island of Hobart, Tasmania, which situated on the bottom of southern hemisphere in world. Today, the capital city of Tasmania, Greatest Hobart, is the busiest touristic destination. I'll take you through some of the biotic and abiotic elements in Tasmania. Most of the visitors have the exposure to the tourist site of Hobart City and other natural parks in contrast to coastal experience. My goal is to propose a geotourism activity which will show the highly geological value sites with the scenic beauty of the sea, taking the tourist on a multi-day cruise tour. The cruise tour will not only focus on showing geological diversity of Tasmania, but tourists will be able to experience local food, Aboriginal culture, local music, making it holistic experience for the tourists, giving them a chance to establish a deeper connection with places they visit. These were the potential sites which I selected as a part of my geological cruise tour destinations, which included Fort Hill Standard Marine Cliff, Wedge Island Cross Profile, Cape Raoul Dolerite Jointing and Soils, Fluted Cape Dolerite Cliff, Brunei Island, Tasman Arc Water Bay Coastal Landforms, Lime Bay Volcanic Center, Cape Howe High Energy Coastal Erosion Landform Show, Tasman Island Cape Pillar Dolerite Geomorphology, the Fossil Cliffs, Yellow Bluff Upper Lower Boundary, Northeast Maria Island Geology and Landforms, South Cape Bay Dunes, South Cape Inch-to-Sea Contact. To choose the best 6 possible suitable sites out of 14 sites for developing the cruise tours route, I perform multi-decision criteria analysis using Brilla method. For performing MCDA, I choose 4 criteria, which were scenery, interpretative, accessibility, and safety. The weighted for the criteria scenery weight 40%, which is based on visual beauty of geological site. The other 3 criteria, namely the interpretative potential, accessibility, and safety, are weighted 20% each and are based on understanding by people, distance of geological sites from the city of Hobart, and visiting condition risk factors for the tourist respectively. The second part of assessment was calculating degradation risk, which was calculated using 5 criteria, which were deterioration of geological elements, proximity to activities with potential to cause degradation, legal protection, accessibility, density of population, and weight was 35, 20, 20, 15, and 10 respectively. The first criteria for degradation risk was deterioration of geological elements with different possibilities caused due to different agents such as water, air, and chemicals. The second criteria considered proximity of human activities such as construction, which is responsible for erosion of coastal landforms. The third criteria was based on the level of legal protection associated with different coastal areas. The last 2 criteria were based on population and other human activity in closer proximity of the geological sites. After calculating the values for degradation risk and potential touristic value, the sites which were on top of the list are Tasman Island, Tasman Arc, The fossil cliffs, Northeast Maria Island, Cape Hui, and Cape Raoul. Cape Royal Dolorite cliffs are spectacular dolorite columns showing strong joint control. Also, this site has terrestrialized cliff lagoons. At some places, dolorite rock is degraded by force of wind aeolian process. The Cape Pillar has different dolorite features along with mudstones. The interesting fact about Cape Pillar is that it is the highest vertical sea cliffs in Australia. The third site has a spectacular landform of dolorite developed due to coastal erosion. It is include large column cliffs, sea arcs, large stakes, and spectacular stakes. Tasman Arc shows spectacular coastline with variety of platforms such as sea caves, arcs, gulches, shore platforms, and cliffs. Northeast Maria Island shows points of metamorphosis alkali granite from during Devonian early Carboniferous. A dolorite still indent pyramidal supergrowth rocks during the Jurassic. The fossil cliffs, magnification, fossil beds, storm influence, post-glacial sea ice influence, shoreline, Darlington limestone are focused on fossil cliffs. Also, geomorphological features such as cliffs, gulches, sea caves, blowhole are also found at fossil cliffs. This map shows the route of cruise ship, which start from Hobart to Maria Island via geological sites of Cape Raoul, Tasman Island, Cape Honey, Tasman Arc, Northeast Maria Island, and the Fossil Cliffs. Safety and maintenance required for sustainable of working with cruise tour. It is important to maintain and manage working of the cruise ship as lack of maintenance can cause a dysfunctioning of cruise engine because of low level of oil. It is important to have routine inspections to avoid any sudden disruption. Coating is important to prevent corrosion of ship material in by effect of environmental factors, as well as these factors can affect a working of cruise ship, which will eventually affect the timing or the schedule of the planned cruise ship.